son is right here.
Not too long ago, I joined the police and the service and the correctional services in remembrance of the fallen heroes from our security forces. And it was definitely a very moving moment. And Your Excellency, I just want to recap this because when the citation was being made of the circumstances under which each of the fallen officers had passed.
We have before us two blueprints which not only reaffirm our steadfast commitment to the safety and security of citizens and their property, but also establishes a robust framework for developing a modern, efficient, responsive police service and prison service. Anchored in these strategic plans is a bold and clear step forward, creating a secure environment for where each and every citizen can thrive. National security, public order, and the safety of every citizen are the underlying enablers of all economic activity. I am also pleased to note that this plan is firmly rooted in Article 243 of the Constitution and the National Police Service Act of 2011, and is dedicated to fostering a people-centric, service-driven public order and national security system that aligns with our broader national development framework. With this strategic plan, the National Police Service is positioned to develop robust capacity to effectively address current and emerging security challenges, ensuring that Kenya remains a stable, prosperous, and safe nation, that our economy is conducive for sustainable growth.
Three just